Okay, we're going to be reviewing the integrated algebra exam from June 2012. Let's start with the first problem. So the first problem reads, let me make this a little bigger. In a baseball game, the ball traveled 350.7 feet in 4.2 seconds. What was the average speed of the ball in feet per second? So we're looking for the average speed of the ball. Looking for the average speed of the ball in feet per second. Okay, we have information here. We have that it traveled 357 feet in 4.2 seconds. So when we're looking for feet per second, we're looking for the ratio feet per, or means divide, second. Okay, so if we look at our information here, I'm going to use the units here and here to help me fill in my ratio. So feet is on top, so I'm going to write 350.7 feet. I know that we travel that amount of distance in 4.2 seconds. It's very important that my units in the red match my units on the top, match units on the bottom. So I have feet on the top, seconds on the bottom, seconds on the bottom. When they're asking for feet per second, what they're actually saying is feet per 1 second. So they want to know how many feet, what was the average speed, so that would be my x, of the ball in 1 second. So I'm going to continue and make a proportion. I'm going to put feet here, seconds here. I know that I'm looking for the number of feet in 1 second. So now I have a proportion in which I can cross multiply. Or you can solve it other ways, which I'll show you in a minute. I'm going to rewrite this without the units to make it a little cleaner. I'm going to multiply 1 times 350.7. I'm going to get 350.7, and then I get that's 4.2x. Right? 4.2x is the same thing as 4.2 times x. So I want to do the inverse operation to divide out the 4.2. So I'm going to divide by 4.2 on both sides, because dividing is the inverse operation of multiplication. When I do that, the 4.2 is going to divide out to 1. And I'm going to look at my calculator here to multiply 4.2 times, divide 357 by 4.2. So here's my calculator. I'm going to say 350.7 divided by 4.2. I'm going to get 83.5. So I know 1x is equal to 83.5. Using the multiplicative identity, I know that 1 times any number is itself, so 1x is the same thing as x. So x is 83.5 feet. And if we look here, our first option is 83.5, so that is the answer. This topic is called calculating rates. If you need more help on calculating rates, look on this website for a section entitled Calculating Rates. There will be an additional lesson and practice problems that you can do to help yourself learn this topic.